Let's get creative, nigga.
Since a youngin' I've been throwing gang signs. Niggas scared to throw it up, but I'ma bang mines. Bound to leave a nigga leaving with a 39. My nigga trippin' with their glizz and shot it 30 times. Niggas tryna get me ran up, tell them niggas man up. Know your pockets hurtin', it'll help it if you band up. Free my niggas canned up, Goonie you a stand up. Keep it confidential, ain't no telling if you jammed up. I was eating.
The Hellcord merch is finally here, and you can buy it at the website on the screen right now, or you can click the link in the description down below so you don't have to go type it out like a lazy fuck you are. But right here, I'm rocking the basic t-shirt in black. There's multiple colors in the soul sleeve t-shirt and the hoodie, and right now I'm starting off just a very small drop. All I have is this design and a t-shirt, long sleeve t-shirt, and a hoodie. If y'all really fuck with it, I'm gonna drop some more different designs, so stay tuned for that. And for the first 5 people who buy and take a screenshot of the confirmation, like screen or email, and DM it to me on Instagram, I'm gonna be calling 5 of y'all personally to thank you for supporting the Hellcord. Now, if y'all haven't seen the new incident in the Hellcord, go ahead and click the video on the screen now and go watch it, bud.